Okay then, so for this year we have made some changes to the community project and how it's recorded because of the updates and upgrades on ManageBack. So everything will be centralized now on ManageBack. For your Year 9 students, your 3 meetings will take place on the 3 service days. So meeting 1 obviously on service day 1 all the way through to meeting 3 on service day 3. And what we would like you to do when you meet with the students is record all the information on their community project page. So if we select one of the students here, okay, they will have their proposal on the workspace page, okay, and that fills across all of the forms that they do. The process journal is where all their evidence is kept. The assessment tab they can't see, okay, that is for the assessment at the end of the year. And this is the new tab here, Meetings with Supervisor. All we would like you to do on each of the service days is obviously to fill in the discussions that you've had with them and the next points that you've agreed that the students will do. Okay, and you can log the date on there. So you can add in some information here. Okay, select the date. So it would be obviously September the 22nd, lock that, etc. Once you've done all of the appointments with the students and you've given them a final supervisor comment, okay, and there are examples of this in the service support folder which you can see, please make sure you save the changes. Okay, if you do that, what it will do, it will send all of the information to the academic honesty form. So at the end of the year, all of these fields will be automatically filled from your comments. Okay, so you won't have to fill in anything else, it will go on there and that will be completed. So we're hoping that this upgrade will make your life a lot easier. So you don't need to fill in the academic honesty form as we've historically done. Just fill in the meetings with supervisor, but please make sure, okay, that you lock and save changes, and if you do that, then it will be transferred across to the academic honesty form. You can go back in and change it, so you can unblock it, you can change the date, you can change the comments, and as long as you click save changes, okay, that will update their academic honesty form. As I said, this is just for Year 9 students. For Year 7 and 8, it will all take place as previously on their SA tabs. Any questions, please do let me know.